Quickly, hi, this is me. This shows the equipment used in testing a 2-degree ramp, and that blocks can be moved 90 degrees to the ramp. Now we have Pippi, who's only 13-year-old, moving half a tonne easily. This shows that 5 13-year-old girls can move a 2.5 tonne block, and the majority of the blocks very easily using a 2-degree ramp. You could start the build if you wish using this gradient of ramp. 92 13-year-old girls can move a 50-tonne block to construct the Grand Gallery in Queen's Chamber. 184 13-year-old girls could move a 100-tonne block for the relieving chambers.
There you go, you just pulled half a tonne uphill.
Yeah, 5 of you could pull the blocks for the pyramid.
The majority of the block.
26 13-year-old girls could move over 14 tonnes within 5 metres from the very top of the Great Pyramid, or 26 cows. It's a lot more difficult pulling when the rope is over the large circumference of the spool, but the blocks move up a lot faster.
Not that bad once you get moving, eh?
The casing stones could be placed first, then the internal blocks.
Better to place the internal blocks first, using the ramps on the internal structure, then the casing stones.
It doesn't feel like half a tonne.
This showing how a block could be butted up to one another, so a knife blade cannot penetrate the joint. And this shows us that a weight of 1.25 can pull a weight of 70.6 up a 7.5 degree slope when you connect two spools together. If this was 1.52 tonnes, that would equate to 12 men pulling on a rope. Double it, treble it, would it really matter for 70 tonnes up a 7.5 degree slope?
Yeah,
I didn't want to set the 7.5 degree ramp up again, so I decided to use a large spool with a small spool and lift half a tonne up vertically.
Sorry, I have to hold it a bit. Yeah, half a tonne.
2 bricks held up half a tonne, 2.5 bricks lifted it, and 3 bricks shows a 5-year-old kid could do it. A 7.5 degree gradient could be used with the outer casing stone supporting the ramps. A 14 tonne block taking 52 men, with 1 spool on the large circumference, which could be a tree trunk. This is me pulling over half a tonne up the 7.5 degree ramp very easily over the small circumference of 1 small spool, showing that a 14 tonne block would take less than 26 men. The 7.5 degree ramp could continue from the 2 degree ramp if you want, and used to finish the very top of the pyramid. Connect 2 large spools together and 1 man equals moving extreme weight. I hope you enjoyed this quick, simple theory, and share this jam-packed short on showing how easy it is to build a Great Pyramid, and give it a like. Bye from Mike.